Hey guys, what's up? My name is Josh if you just joined the channel, and I'm going to start up the Piper Clipper here, 1949 PA16, and we made around 700 of them total, and this is going to be the last run before I pull the wings off, pull the engine off. It gets an upgrade, a new firewall, lots of new stuff, and it's going to be an amazing project. So this is the last run with this engine for the major project. I want to go ahead and run it so it's just kind of gets a little more lubrication before I pull it off. Just do a quick walk around, and if you have not seen this before, you can see kind of what it looks like. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got the mini, I call them mini Tundra tires. I think there's somewhere I actually read that. They're Aero Classic 856s. Pretty nice, pretty happy with them. Had them on here for about a year. I do have a 3200 tail wheel Scott. That's a series for the tail wheel. But basically, this is nice. These tires are nice for, you can kind of see the ground here. This is not the smoothest runway. It goes kind of up and downhill a few times. I do have a BNC alternator I put on there with the new engine mount last summer, so that will be getting reused. The fuselage was actually done in 2019 prior to me purchasing it. The wings are actually 1980s. That's when they were done, the Seek Night. So they're looking pretty grubby, honestly, and they are due for complete teardown, and they're going to be basically restored because I'm not just going to lightly clean them and cover them. So these wings are going to undergo quite a bit of work. These are coming off. Got sealed struts going on. Served me well for about 30 some hours since I purchased it about a year ago. It was down for a few months, so I didn't fly it for a good portion of the summer. I still managed to get about 30 hours, a little over 30 hours on it. So back door here has a back seat that's just kind of tucked in there right now. The horizontal was done with the fuselage, so just be the elevators, the rudder. Those will also get tore down, cleaned up, get re-fabricked. So yeah, so that's basically the gist of it. Let's get in it and hopefully it fires up. It's actually been a couple months since it went out of annual. I was hoping to actually start on the project for now, but you know, life happens, and there's a big transition going on right now for career-wise. So it's gone awesome, but a little bit of delay. Yeah, I hope the battery is good. I did have it on charge for a few minutes, but like I said, it's been idle for just hanging out in the hangar for a couple months here, but it's been a heated hangar, and hopefully we're in good shape. Everything should be pretty warm. Hangar's around 60 degrees is what I keep it at. So fuel valve, it's kind of rough. Fuel valve is getting changed. I have a mall fuel valve I'll be putting in. Okay, so we're gonna do the mixture, and we're gonna do a few shots of prime. J3 Cub, I actually don't prime it when it's cold, but just turn it over by hand. But the Clipper, I definitely give it a good few squirts there. That should be good. Alright, then the throttle, just going to kind of, I usually just pump that a little bit. Then you got, they say about an 1/8 inch cracked open. And the master is on. So now down here, one thing about the Clippers, these are really interesting. And underneath this box, there's actually a button you push up on it. So I will set the camera up where you can kind of see everything, and I'll push that button. Hopefully we got enough juice in this thing to get it turned over, and it'll take off. Okay, everything's set. Master, mags on both. Can I get a clear prop? Good bit here and do this is plain. Looking forward to getting it back going, even though it's not actually down yet. Just ready to get started on the project and also ready to fly it, but definitely want to embrace the process because I enjoy the restoration part too. So hopefully we'll get to this here soon and we'll start kind of sharing the process. So if you're interested in this, you definitely want to follow along. It's going to be an awesome project. Complete firewall replacement. It's going to be stainless steel. I'm going to polish it. It's going to be a showpiece. The engine's going to be amazing. Lots more horsepower. And I think it's going to be a performer. Flipper rocket. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it seems like I should come up with a name. If you have any suggestions, I would love to hear those in the comments. And yeah, stay tuned. Until next time, be safe and be blessed. I will see you in the next one. Later.